want that?
Alright. Day 2 of this gang war and shit.
Hey, man, it's over there.
I mean, Chris on deck. Got Biz over there. That chopper. Boy Liam, he got his mask on, he ready for war.
I'm ready to lay shit down.
Yeah.
Put Biz back and throw that gun in the bag.
Gun's heavy.
I'm set the barrel.
Well, Al Beezy right here.
You're gonna take the time and put it on there for right.
I'll show him the burner, Beezy.
I'll take this off.
The burner.
I cleaned that barrel out too.
Right there.
That motherfucking Delta Elite right here.
Boy, hold it up. Let them see what we dealing with.
Man.
We ain't playing no games out here.
I bet you we run in the store with this bitch they lay down. They want to know his paintballs coming out that motherfucker.
Sit down. Put your hoodies down. That's all. That's all.
This
is what
right
it's about when you trying to play some paintball. This is right here. Hey. But I ain't posing in front of YouTube, shooting YouTube up.
Another what?
There's an Army Fatigue boys in the building. With Team 1.
Where?
They on the hunt for Team 2. Al Beezy, you know. They looking for Biz and Liam. I don't know where they at, but eventually the war is gonna be on.
Ew, this is sick. Let me step out.
Down there. Get that crate right there. Get the helmet on. Go. He's looking. I need you to cover him up. Down there, look. Look straight ahead. Let me know if you see something.
Out. Want some tires in that crate right there.
You know it?
What's that the tire in the crate right there?
Go.
I'm here. Up to the left.
I got that left. No, you look straight ahead. I got the left. Go.
You videotaping us?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta see this. Wait.
What you say?
Down here. Yeah.
I think that's Biz.
Where?
Good. Watch on top.
Right on scanner,
On top.
Okay, I heard something. Next spit. Ah, that's it. 1 o'clock.
Where?
1 o'clock.
Ew.
Down there.
Do it. Ew, he's going.
You out? You hit?
Yep.
Alright, go with
Come over here.
Great job.
Stop right there, let me see.
Good job.
Hit all up.
What is this? What are you doing? Right here. That gun man hurt. No? I didn't feel that gun at all.
Young boy out! Young boy out! Where Al at?
My fault, I didn't keep my helmet on, I couldn't see.
You see?
Yeah.
Behind the tree. Why you hoodie? You got you there. You got the drop. Let's go. All right, I see you, bitch, to the left, baby. Take care of it, oh, take care of it.
I got it, baby, I got it.
Got it, he out.
Who that?
I got it. He out, Chris. Did he catch me? Did he out? Check him out there.
I ain't got no fucking balls.
Oh,
I'm out.
I got you.
Nah.
gun jam.
Get him low. Here. Take it. Right here. I'm out. I'm out.
Oh.
I'm hit.